Okay, so now we're driving to our hotel, which is the Hyatt Hotel Resort here in Maui. I'll let you guys know if it's a good place or not. So far, it looks really pretty and green. Let me kind of, I'll show you guys around, let you guys know what it looks like. Everything is just so green here. So all I see right now is just plants everywhere. I'll show you guys. We just got here from Maui. It is a little hot, as you can see, but it's good weather. I mean, it's not like the best weather, but it is pretty good weather. I think it's like 85 degrees, but you know, it's like my hair is getting red already. I'm tired. I've been up since 7. We've been traveling, and we just now got in. We went to the store, bought some stuff, and I'm so tired. I'm like exhausted, like really exhausted. Like I kind of just want to take a nap, but I'm like, there's things to see, there's things to do, and I'm just like, I just want to rest. Yeah, I'll show you guys where we're staying. I'll give you guys a little update on what I'm doing. I was like so hungry that I was like this morning we just got the Uber over here all the way to, I live in like not Orange County, but like in Riverside County, and like we had to take the Uber to the LAX, and we had to make sure dogs were good. So I was like, okay, and it's just been a long day. I don't have any makeup on. I didn't even do my makeup. I was like, no, I'm not gonna do anything. I just like want to already get there and just chill, just chill. So we stopped at Walmart. We like bought like beer and just like just chips, things that like we want to snack on, because Hawaii is pretty pricey. Everything is a little pricey because everything has to be shipped. It's a little island, so everything is just a little bit more pricier. The food here is really great. It's good quality. I mean, everything that you eat here is just really, really good. I mean, I'm just so tired, guys. Look at my face. I'm like, you can tell, like, I am dead tired. And then, like, the heat is just, like, swelling me up. I just look so swollen. Like, my lips look swollen. My eyes feel swollen. My face looks swollen. I'm like, okay, I need a rest. So I'll keep you guys updated, like, what I'm doing. Looks like my daughter's getting some snacks. Yeah, my daughter came with me, so but basically, like, I'm just gonna vlog a little bit of my trip, and hopefully you guys enjoy all the different views that Maui has to offer. Like I said, it's been a long day. Yeah, long day. I know there's some big waves coming in. I'm scared of the waves. So as you guys can see, I don't look as dead as yesterday, but yeah, it's like really, really nice. We're now enjoying the pool, and it's just really, really mellow here. It's like if you really just want to have a relaxing vacation, this is the place to be. Let me show you guys what I'm like witnessing here at the pool area. There's 3 pools. This is one of them. We decided to come to this one because it actually has the waterfalls. But yeah, there's actually, I would say, 3 to 4 pools. have a cave in here, which is really cool.
Well, let's go get a bathing suit. I want to get it.
Hold on, let me see what they have. And they have a bar. Right in front of the ocean, the Hyatt Hotel. They have a waterfall. Very relaxing. And there's the ocean right in front of the hotel. It's like, what more can you want?
I do want to go swimming.
Mm-hmm. This is the Hyatt Hotel. So pretty. So we also did a little bit of volunteering this morning. What was the volunteer group called?
Rotary Club.
What?
Rotary Club.
Okay.
Part of Surfrider.
Yeah, part of Am I saying it right? Surfrider? Yeah. So it's pretty nice to volunteer for at least 30 minutes of your life just to like
You're good.
clean up the earth a little bit and do your part, do your share. It feels good. Just, I don't know, it's just pretty amazing. So definitely they have some good, they have complimentary, breakfast here. I'll show you guys a little bit of what they have. It's so delicious. They're getting everything prepared. Let me show you guys. And that's just a little bit of the beginning. Turtle, guys. The people are like all over it. I just like, can I just see it? Like, I want to go all the way in. I don't think I'm gonna get to see a turtle. There's like all around the turtle, and I don't want to get wet. Like, they need to like move out of his way. Like, come on, people. Like, I'm not even close to that. I don't want to get my phone wet, guys. There it is. There he is. He's so cute. Like, you should go crazy. I'm leaving. Seeing a little lizard. So cute. He wanted to pick up their trash. Like, seriously. Like, he's so adorable. So my daughter said these are African penguins. I've never heard of that, but yeah, I guess. This is really cool. We're here in the actual hotel that we're staying at. Yeah, I guess she's right. They're African Blackfoot penguins. And yeah. She was right. Oh, they're so beautiful and cute. Oh, they're there. Is that their little houses back there? The little homes? The first time I see them since I've been here.
You can fully stand up in it, right?
Is he swimming?
I'm all about